Okay. Hey guys,
What's going on?
what are you guys making tonight?
We're making tacos. Taco Monday.
Taco Monday.
Yup, Taco
Beef
Monday.
tacos.
So I got the beef cooking, and we threw some onions in there for the flavors.
Yep.
So that's cooking up. We got Chris cutting the
It's got the
peppers.
pepper cut. We're about to put it in the
Yes,
pan.
Let's get it.
Let it cook
Now
a
We
little
got to
bit.
mixing it up right here.
Wait, do you season it or no?
It will be seasoned.
It will be seasoned.
Seasoned.
All right, awesome.
You don't want no
That
bland
packet will be seasoned.
tacos, man. You want some tasty tacos. Open this up.
Tasty taco.
Yeah, you can open it up now if you want. But we might want to drain. How much water is in there? We gotta drain that
you gotta
water.
get 'em out. All right.
Okay, we'll be back.
Looking good. Yep, we'll be back.
Looking good. Looking good.
You're looking good right now.
Okay, guys. So,
It's pretty much the final product.
final product. Let me see.
This is how it turned out.
Yeah.
Yup,
Okay,
yup.
now the taste test of your cooking.
Let's start with the hard. Even a hard one. Start with a hard one. I'm gonna start with my soft.
Mm.
This is my fat soft taco right here.
Mmm.
So good.
Mmm.
Mmm.
I take it it's good.
Yo, so good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 again.
Of course. This was a success for
Success.
sure. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Until next time.
Till next time. Hey, tacos on Monday.
We're rebels,
Taco
right?
Monday. Yep.
The rebels.
Rebels.
Who does Taco Tuesdays? We're doing Taco Mondays.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Hashtag Taco Mondays.
Hashtag Taco Monday.
All
We'll
right.
see you on the next one.